So last time we discussed about determining the location of points wherein given the coordinates. So exact coordinates yun, may values x and y. This time, what we're going to do is we're going to list all the possible location of the points of the given. Pero yung given na this time is isang value lang, either value ni x or value ni y. So, ang gagawin natin, ililista natin yung mga possible values ng yon. Now, again, yung mga possible location nila is origin, x-axis, y-axis, quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, for number 1, we have here, abscissa is 8. So, ang unang gagawin natin is, we're going to identify ano ba yung abscissa. Diba, we all know that abscissa is also the term for x-axis. So, meaning, ang given lang ay si x coordinate, right? So, abscissa, that is x. So, x is 8. How about now, the y coordinate? May binigay na ba? Diba, wala. So, now, since walang binigay for y coordinate, isipin nyo, ano ba yung mga pwedeng possible values ni y? Okay, so tatlo yon, laging tatlo. Diba si y, pwede siyang maging 0. Pwede din naman na maging negative yung value ni y, or pwede din na maging positive. Okay, so itetest natin tong tatlo. Kung 0 si y, therefore ang magiging coordinate natin ay 8, 0. Then kung negative naman si y, ang coordinate natin is 8, then mga negative numbers. Kung positive naman si y, so we have here 8, then positive numbers. Now, so ito yung mga possible locations niya kasi depende yun sa magiging value ni y. And again, ito yung mga possible values kasi pwede maging 0, negative, or positive. So, if y is 0, then abscissa is 8, saan ang location neto? Diba, since si x-axis lang yung may given, so ang location niya ay nakay x-axis. Now, we have here 8 and negative, yung value ni y. So, 8, ano bang sign ni a? That is positive. So, positive, negative, saan quadrant yan? Okay, that is under quadrant 4. Then, kapag positive naman si value ni y, so 8, positive pa rin si x, positive si y, so positive, positive, na kay quadrant 1. So, therefore, the possible location of the given, if the abscissa is 8, okay, yung mga possible locations niya ay itong tatlo. It's either na kay x-axis, quadrant 4, or quadrant 1. So, tatlo yung sagot. Then, second example, so, ordinate is negative 13. This time, ano ba yung ordinate? Ordinate, ito din yung term naman para kay y-axis. So, this time, ang may value ay si y coordinate. So, si x, wala pang value. Si y meron na negative 13. Again, anong unang gagawin? Lista natin kung ano yung mga possible values ni x. So, una, again, pwede siyang maging 0. Pangalawa, pwedeng negative siya. Pangatlo, pwede namang positive. Okay? So, kung 0 si x, ang magiging coordinates natin is 0, negative 13. Kapag negative naman si x, so we have here negative numbers, then negative 13. Kapag positive, so we have here, pwede siyang lahat positive values ni x and negative 13. Okay? Then after that, identify natin yung location. So, 0, negative 13. This time, si y lang yung may value. So, ang location ay naka y-axis. Then, here yung signs. Negative si x, negative din si y. So, negative, negative, that is under quadrant 3. Then, we have here positive si x, then negative 13, so negative si y, positive, negative, that is under quadrant 4. Therefore, the possible locations are y-axis, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Third one, we have ordinate is positive. So again, ordinate, that is y coordinate. So meaning si x, wala pang value, si y daw ay positive. Again, ano yung mga possible location ni x? So, si x pwedeng maging 0, negative, and positive. So, kapag 0 si x, we have here 0, positive. Kapag naman negative si x, we have here negative, positive. Then, kapag positive si x, we have here positive, positive. So, locations nila. 0 positive, so ibig sabihin si y lang yung may value. So, this is y-axis. Negative positive, quadrant 2. Positive positive, that is quadrant 1. So, ito yung mga possible locations. Number 4, abscissa is negative. So, this time, ang may value ay si x. So, x is negative. Okay. Then, si y ay wala pang value. So, again, mga possible values ni y, pwedeng maging 0, negative, and positive. So, pag 0 si y, coordinates are negative and 0. Kapag negative si y, you have here negative, negative. Kapag positive si y, you have there negative, positive. Then, locations. So, negative 0, si x lang yung may value, x-axis. Negative, negative, so that is quadrant 3. Negative, positive, quadrant 2. So, ito yung mga possible locations. Last example, we have abscissa is 0. So, abscissa, again, that is 4x coordinate. So, si x daw ay 0. Si y, wala pang mga values. So, ano yung mga possible values ni y? So, pwedeng maging 0, negative, and positive. So, pag 0 si y, ang coordinates ay 0, 0. Kapag negative si y, you have 0, negative. Kapag positive si y, you have 0, positive. Then, yung locations nila, 0, 0, of course, nasa origin. 0, negative, so si y lang yung may value, so na kay y-axis. 0, positive, again, si y lang yung may value, kaya sa y-axis din. Now, if you notice, since pareho naman, yung kapag negative and positive si y, parehong y-axis ang location, so dalawa lang yung answer dyan. So, ang possible location lang is origin and y-axis. Kahit huwag mo nang ulitin yung y-axis kasi pareho lang naman yun. Okay.